What is up, guys? Today we're going to fix Panda as usual. We are doing the interior finally. Since we don't have much stuff to do at the engine bay, just like it's all the small stuff. Maybe the fuel line soon, but we can do it that last. We're going to do the interior. Remove the sound deadening, make it neat, perhaps the interior for paint, makes it nice. Car has not been nice for quite a while. Jeep's still sick, so still Miku for week 2. Really, Jeep has more problems. Disc brakes, the rotors are cracked. I miss my Jeep. Woo! These brakes are sketchy, man. Play you the sound of my people. For a sound, brother. Ooh, that truck is louder than this one. Damn, sounds so good. So, see you at Alvin.
We have arrived at Alvin. I thought I would be earlier than Alvin, but he's already here. Damn. Always so early. Ooh. So many cars. Playing with his 1J as usual, 1J is fun to fix, fun to hear, fun to listen to, fun to drive. There's nothing not fun about 1J, except for the road tax. Ooh, R32. Oh, mama! We have to clean the interior first with the vacuum cleaner, clean up all this stuff, and then place the dry ice on top of the sound deadening. This is the sound deadening. You can see this is partially removed already. The body inside there. So yeah, let's clean and put the dry ice in. So now we have the dry ice with us. Must handle with glove. If not, it will bite your finger. Kerasnya. Dry ice is -70 Celsius. Dry ice. Kenapa tak? You can hear the crack in the dry ice. Celap ya Bin, ngena itu aja ada celap. You can see it starts to peel off like water.
Macam nasi weh. Okay.
Why your face looks so stressed?
Now we're gonna put in the gearbox.
Okay, supercharge.
What?
Supercharge.
Oh, yeah, already said. I always said in the video, this gearbox gonna weigh 1 whole torque. And my hand is so big already. Ya, aku dah angkat dia ni. Yo, paling licin tu. Gotta put in the clutch fork and the bearing. And how do I put this in? I don't remember. Yeah, kah?
It's the power of will and friendship, what else?
Shank comes off. So go inside. Don't need new rubber. Because I just used the old one. Oh, where the rubber so dead already. It's like this thing over here, which you need to hook it inside. Can't see. Yeah, it's okay. Now I can see it. Okay. Bearing. This with Alvin. This one go here. 2 clips. Like that. Then okay.
You're supposed to have a lock.
Yes, like that.
Ready?
Yeah. Clutch pump pushes here. Hey, clutch left.
I got pre-planned on it.
Where? What's that sound like? Is it hooked already? Inside? Yeah, already. Okay. Why you headache? You tell me. 2, 3 gearbox now. There. Shift the outer. Not using this one anyways.
You buy new shift?
Short shifter.
Already buy?
Soon. Soon?
Is it gonna shift like your chip?
Oh yeah. Now your box is ready to put in. Yo, you change this one now. Look. My hand with hands.
And then get the back.
Movie at the back.
Behind the engine, yeah?
Yes. Okay. Because I need this to hold the gearbox since I cannot find my gearbox mounting. Can hold 2 tons, yo, this rope. Don't know get from where, I don't remember.
Shiny.
Here ka?
Goodbye.
Shell.
Promotion?
Bring your shit. Yo!
Oh, strong man.
1 man show! Whee! There's definitely not power.
Kuliah si Kubin. Wow. Alvin say he can put in himself. Very impressive. I can only drop it myself. Cannot put in myself.
Mamay,
Yeah.
tali deh dalam eh.
Kasi fight tali. Masih ada cup. Angkat. Okay. Tarik kah?
Alright. Jap, jap. Anang kalau ya lo. Hello. Anang kat mana Anang kat?
You need some dry ice? Oh, it's just there.
Yeah.
It's hot in here. Despite the window is being open. Makes no difference.
And I've also done, as you can see, all the sound deadening removal. Took me the whole morning, all the way until afternoon. Yeah, it's good. There's remaining in front here a bit more, and that last spot over there. So yeah, hopefully I can finish it up today or something. Look at all that rust. Yeah, this thing needs a lot of body work. A bit, not a lot. It's not too bad for an AE86. I'm tired. I don't know if I can lift this up or not.
And line.
Yeah, almost there. Wow, no joke.
My friend is on max tension right now. He's gonna use some DBZ power. Go pull his wheel. Yeah, hold it right there, big boy.
My leg's cramping already. Fuck, got the position. Oh, the sharpness.
Mamay,
Ah,
lepas eh.
lepas.
Lepas.
Okay.
Okay, no ni depan. Ah, gitu. Basah.
Yeah.
Dah. Kan.
Done. Damn. Kunci habis, Abin?
Dah kunci.
Gearbox is already in. So you can see it's fully in. There's no gap over here between the gearbox and the block, so that means that the input shaft is already into the center of the flywheel. Hey, wait, clutch and flywheel. Right. Finally done. I mean, did it so fast. This is so impressive. I gotta learn that shit. Okay, so we have done a few work today. This is how the engine looks like. The header and the intake is already in. Look at the shininess of this intake. Look at that. So next week most probably gonna add more stuff in the engine bay so that we can go to the wiring phase. You can see the shifter is already inside, so that means the gearbox is already in, but the mounting is not in yet, just for fitting purposes. Then we're gonna tidy up more on the inside. 5 of the areas is already taken out of the sound deadening using this explosion. Left one more, most probably gonna do it on Monday or something. Yeah, and the rear part, not really sure whether do I want to get more dry ice or not. Yeah, don't mind the tin can. So yes, so that was the update on Panda today. Removing the sound deadening using dry ice. I chose using dry ice because it's a lot easier to remove. As you can see, it made all the glue became like, it hardened up the glue and it came out like pieces. But for newer cars, it most probably will come out as one piece. And Alvin wanted to put in the gearbox today as well, so the gearbox is already in. As for the engine, it has intake and the headers are already in as well. And next week, do more cleaning up on the interior so that we can paint over the interior and go wiring phase. I would say it's pretty productive day. A lot of work has been done on the Panda. So yeah, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.